Hey everyone, so I got a new knife block to show you today. Now I have reviewed several knife blocks in the past. I am a huge fan of them. I prefer using them. Anyway, this one was sent over to me for a review. Let's go ahead and take a look because there are some pros and cons to this one. Now the base of itself is like a marble and it is pretty heavy. I really do like that the base is nice and heavy and it's very sturdy. It only takes a couple screws to screw it in and you're done there. From there, we have a block of wood. Now this one is quite a bit thinner compared to most of them that I have reviewed. And then we have some plexiglass-like material on the outside to kind of protect the knives on the outside. Now I do actually like that because it kind of protects your knives from like any like splashes and stuff that might hit your counter. I have my normal block here. This has been my favorite for a while. I reviewed this one a few months ago. All right, so I'm gonna show you how this one works here really quick, and then I'll show you a couple cons with it. So we have a knife. We'll go ahead and throw it in there. All right, so it goes in there nice and loosely. It doesn't magnetically stick compared to like this block here. Now, one other pro with this plastic is that it will give a little bit more safety. You know, somebody that comes along, they're not gonna brush their hand up against a blade and cut themselves. Now for the cons, this is where I had an issue with it. If I'm using something like my larger cleaver, let me go ahead and put that in there. You can see that it's just not gonna rest in there very great. Now the way that this works, to give you an idea, is your knives, they have that little lip there, and that plastic catches that lip pretty much. And this knife, the lip is slanted, so it's just making my cleaver slant. But if it was to go on something like magnetic, it's gonna stay put. So that's why I prefer magnetic. Other than that though, the other knives, they go in pretty well. That's pretty much my only knife that I have much of an issue with, just because of that slant on there. But like I said, a personal preference, I do prefer the magnet. Overall, I would say that the knife block is pretty nice. It's, like I said, it's got its pros and cons. Hopefully this gives you a better idea what to expect with this one and if it's one for you.